Okay guys, what I've got here is the PE-2620. This is their blade edger, and from what Echo is telling me, this is the very first one off the assembly line. I'm the first one to have this, so I'm excited about checking it out. As you guys know, I have always used the Edge-It Pro, so I've never used a blade edger. This is going to be new for me. It's going to be interesting to try out, and I'm excited about it. So let's check out what's in the box. Echo does send all their products fully assembled like this, so there's nothing really to do once you get it out of the box other than you just got to put some gas in it and get this thing started. So now let's get this thing gassed up so we can give it a try. You guys, if I don't know exactly what I'm doing with this thing, try not to make fun of me too bad. Just give me some tips on ways to use it better. So my initial thoughts on this thing are 2 thumbs up. I think Echo's done a great job making this. I think it's faster than using the Edge-It Pro. Now switching between a weed eater and an edger, I don't know. I haven't tried it much. The scenes you saw of me using it are right here on my driveway. So I'm gonna keep using it and keep trying it out and do a more extensive kind of review later on as I've used it a little more. I just wanted to get it out there, show you guys this new product from Echo. You know I like the Echo products. I've had them before Echo ever contacted me. I was already using Echo products, so they're a product that I enjoy and I like and will continue to use. Whether they had been sending me this stuff or not, I would have used Echo products. If you're interested in a little more information about this product, I suggest you go over to Echo USA, their website. They have all the specs on this thing on their website. They have the price on there. So you guys, if you're interested in this thing, go check it out. It's the PE-2620 blade edger. As always guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.